If you want to create backyard time-lapse video for 100% free, I'm going to be showing you how to do it in this video in less than 5 minutes. Simply visit ChatGPT and you want to go over to the left hand of ChatGPT and click on apps. Go over to this part that has GPT, click on it, and in the search bar, search for Bunker Time-Lapse AI Studio. You're going to see different Bunker GPT that you can work with. So go ahead and pick whichever one resonates with you. And once you click on Start Chat, you're going to get an interface like this. Click on Create Prompts and it is going to give you two options. You can either generate Bunker Time-Lapse AI video sequence or generate viral metadata. So we're going to start with the first one, which is creating the Bunker Time-Lapse AI sequence. So once you hit on enter, it is going to ask you where you want your backyard bunker to be located. There are different places in here, so just go ahead and choose one. If the options you're going for is not in here, you can go ahead to paste in your own location. So I'm going to go ahead to pick number 1. Once you pick on the number and you hit on enter, it is going to go ahead to generate image prompts for you, and then it will also generate 15 video prompts to generate these time-lapse videos. Now once that is generated, go over to the image prompt, copy it, and then you're going to head over to Grok AI, paste it on the prompt section of Grok AI. You're going to make sure that it is set on image, and then you have to choose your aspect ratio. Go for the 9:16 if you're looking at posting these videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Once that is selected, head over to hit on enter, and it is going to generate 4 different bunker style images for you. So just look through and select whichever one works for you. Once that is selected, head over to ChatGPT and copy video 1 prompt. Once that is copied, come over to Grok AI and click on make video. Once that is clicked, over the prompt section, paste in the prompts that you've just copied from ChatGPT, hit on enter, and it will begin generating your video for you. After it is done generating, this is the result. So we're going to be needing the last frame of this video in order to generate our second video. And before we do that, we have to upscale our video. Now to upscale your video, come over to this part and click on upscale video so as to increase the quality of the video. Once it is done upscaling, you're going to see this HD sign here. This HD sign will signal you that your video has been upscaled and the quality has been increased. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and take the last frame of your video. So pause the video once it gets to the last frame. Right click on the video and go ahead to click on copy frame to copy the last frame. Once that is copied, head back to the image section of Grok AI, paste in the copied frame that you just copied, head back to ChatGPT to copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT and go ahead to paste it in the prompt section of Grok AI. And then it's going to begin generating your video. After a short while, this is what your second video would look like. Now you're going to remember to upscale this video just so we have a better quality, and then you go ahead to repeat the same process as with video 1 for each of your 15 videos. Now after you're done creating all 15 of your videos, we're going to move to the next step. So you're going to go ahead to download each and every videos, and then you head over to any editing tool of your choice. In my case, I'm using Filmora. Go ahead and put in all these videos into Filmora and bring them down to your timeline. Arrange them accordingly. So before we go ahead to see the final outcome of this video, let me quickly show you something. Now you should know that this GPT also generates viral metadata. So let's say you finish editing your videos and you need metadata to go viral. Just go ahead to copy this metadata, paste the metadata in the prompt section and hit on enter, and it is going to give you different platforms. So let's say you want to post this on YouTube because you have YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. Assuming you want to post these videos on YouTube and you need metadata, go ahead and copy YouTube Shorts and paste in here, and then it is going to give you 5 SEO title ideas. So you can see that the first one has secret backyard bunker built in 60 seconds, and you have the hashtag very close to the title. So you have a lot of title to pick from. You also have a description that you can work with, and then there are tags, and these tags are properly researched to help you go viral, and you also have your hashtag. And let's say you want to create a thumbnail, it also has has a thumbnail strategy for you that includes the split frame style, where the backyard lawn should be, and the glowing underground bunker interior. You literally have a lot to work with. And then it also gives you the best time that you should upload your videos and how many videos you should upload. Now this metadata will go ahead to give you tips that you can use to grow your channel, increase engagement, and go viral. So check it out and let me know what it looks like. And by the way, this is the final result of our video.